Everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of natural gas has moved in the month of November and how the price of natural gas can move in the next month, that is December of 2025. See, if you look at the chart of natural gas, what we have seen, it is trading at a level of $4.5452, and if you look at this trend, there is a clear upside movement we have seen from 3 months, and if you look at this trend, it is already above a strong level of $4.362. Okay, and now one thing that you have to understand here is that as soon as the price keep moving above this particular level, the next resistance coming directly at 4.8, and once the price sustain above 4.8, we can see the price can go above a level of around $5, okay, which is after crossing a level of 4.9, then there will be a zone breakout, so we can see the price can rise above this level. Okay, and if you look at this trend, there is a clear U pattern has formed. After that, there is a continuous down, and if that sustain, we can see a level of $4.9 after crossing a level of 4.8, and then a further high can be seen towards a level of around $5.2. Okay, and if the price moving off this level, a further upside can be seen. You have to understand from 3 days there is a continuous higher and higher, and we have seen there is a pattern is forming. Okay, so when there is green candles are forming, it is showing a trend towards an upside. So you have to understand, if you are trading or if you are investing for a longer view, a level of 4.395 is important. So if the price keep moving off this level, a further upside can be seen. But if the price started falling below this level and goes below a level of, first if it goes below 4.2, then you can say there you should not be trading at this level, and once started falling below this level and touches a level of 3.9, you can start selling at this level. There is a probability of further down, but if it bounce back from this level and goes above this level, then there is a upside probability. But if it started going down below a level of 4.2 and touches a level of 3.9, then a further downfall can be seen, and there is a gap at 3.5 level. This gap can be filled on a device and weekly chart. Okay, so remember this, a level of 4.395 upside, and if it started going below this level, there is a probability of further downfall towards a level of 3.9 and then further low. So if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description, and please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a Telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. If you look at the dollar index chart also, dollar index chart is also trading around a level of around $99.5, as you can see looking at this particular chart. Okay, and if the dollar index rises above 100, then there is a probability of further upside. It is already at a strong support. So if the price of dollar index started going down, a further fall can be seen towards 99.16, and if it started falling below this level, it can touch a level of $98.9. But if it started going upside, a further upside can be seen towards 100.3, and if the price going above this level, a further upside can be there. Okay, and if that sustain, a further high can be there. Coming back again on the natural gas price, what we can see, suppose if the price sustain above this level, a further upside can be seen towards 4.8. as we have seen, the price of DXY is going down, dollar index is going down. So we have seen the dollar index and natural gas are inversely related to each other. Okay, so if it started going down, we can see the dollar index, there is a higher probability that it can touch a level of 4.85, and if the price sustain above this level, then we can see it will cross a level of 4.92. okay, and then there will be a zone breakout, because this level we have seen in the month of December of 22. It will be almost 3 years that the price has not touched a level of around 4.9, above $4.9. So there is a higher chances that as soon as the price started going above 4.9, there will be higher chances of touching a level of $5.2, and if the price sustain over 5.2, a further high can be seen towards $5.69, and if the price moving over this level, a further upside can be seen. But remember, market is uncertain, so if it goes above 5.2, it can touch a level of 5.69 and then further upside. So what you can do best, you can trail your SL by $0.5 if the price goes above $4.9, or 0.3, whatever it suits your risk and quantity. Now suppose if it started coming down, what we can see market is uncertain, and if the dollar index started rising above 100, then there is a probability that natural gas, the dollar index or natural gas, if its dollar index rises, there is a probability that if it touches a level of 4.3 natural gas, we can see a bounce back from this particular level. But if the price started going below this level, chance of touching 4.2 can be seen, and if it started falling below this level, we can see it can touch a level of $4. Okay, and once the price moving below a level of $4, a further fall can be seen towards a level of around 3.6. Okay, 3.67. We have seen the prices touching a level of $4, and if the price falling below a level of $4, a further downfall can be seen towards a level of 3.6, and if the price falling below that particular level, chance of touching a level of 3.5 can be there. Okay, understand, as soon as the price going below a level of 3.8, chance of touching 3.5 is on a higher side, and once started to going below 3.5, we can see it will further fall towards a level of $3.33, and then a further fall can be there.